Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. It's Halloween's coming up, so I wanted to get some little light up things for kids and pets and whatnot. And so this is it here. If I can open it, I'll show you guys what it is. These are slap bands, so if you know what those are, you get the concept to start with, and then they are battery powered. And I'm hoping to somehow open this up, if I can. This will help. There we go. And here we go. So I've got. Okay, so here are the slap bands, and I've got it in the dark now, so you can see them. And I'll show you guys what they are here. So this is it here. I took off the little battery thing, but look at that. It flashes all the way down, and then we can fast, slow, or just be on. Look at that. How cool is that? And then you just go. And so we got one of those on. Let's pick another color here. What's this color? That might be the same color. Here, we'll do blue. Gotta pull the little tab. Oops. And you can see the little device inside is like a clear thing, and then it just goes inside the color pouch there. So now I have a blue one. So now I have blue and whatever color that was. So I got two flashing. Pink. So this would be great for Halloween or whatever. You can put these on the kids, on the kids' wrists, on their ankles, whatever. Good for running, whatever. So look at that. So you got all those colors, and then we have all these more colors here too. So these are great. I love them. Thumbs up.